Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we dissect, compare, and sometimes roast products so you don't have to. Today, we have an epic drone showdown between the Heygelo S90 and the LMRC-12. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Let's talk about cameras. The Heygelo S90 boasts a 1080p HD FPV Wi-Fi camera. Fancy, right? Just connect it to your Wi-Fi, and boom, you're live streaming your flight like a pro. Perfect for capturing those epic fails. Scenic views. Reviewers love the camera quality for its price, though some mentioned the live stream isn't the best. On the other hand, the LMRC-12 also comes with a 1080p HD camera, but wait for it, it has a 90 degrees adjustable angle. That's right, you can adjust it and pretend you're a Hollywood director. Plus, it has dual camera switching. Reviewers appreciate the good video quality and the flexibility of the adjustable angle. When it comes to control, the Heygelo S90 is like a Swiss Army knife. Remote, app, voice, gravity, you name it, it can do it. With more stunts than a circus performer, it's perfect for impressing your friends or crashing into a tree in style. Reviewers find it easy to use with multiple control options, although some mention the app has privacy and functionality issues. On the other hand, the LMRC-12 keeps it simple but effective. Headless mode, one key start landing, and hand gesture photo/video. It's like the drone equivalent of a butler. Just tell it what to do and it does it. Plus, altitude hold keeps it hovering like a pro. Reviewers highlight its ease of use and stability, although some had issues with the app and controls. Flight time is crucial. The Heygelo S90 gives you a solid 26 minutes with its 2 modular batteries. And it's foldable, so you can carry it around in your backpack like a tech-savvy ninja. Reviewers appreciate the extended flying time and portability. Guess what? The LMRC-12 also offers 26 minutes of flight time with its modular batteries. It's like these drones are in a who can hover longer contest. And yes, it's compact too. Perfect for those spontaneous, let's fly a drone moments. Reviewers are impressed with its battery life and portability, although some had issues with the case not being secure enough. Extra features, anyone? The Heygelo S90 has gesture photo taking, VR mode for that immersive experience, and gravity mode. It's like the Swiss Army knife just got a jetpack. Reviewers enjoy these fun features, though some had concerns about the app. Not to be outdone, the LMRC-12 comes with US certification and professional tech support. So if you ever find yourself in a drone-related crisis, they've got your back. It's like having a drone therapist on speed dial. Reviewers appreciate the support and certification, although some mentioned limited instructions. Overall, reviewers find the Heygelo S90 to be a great entry-level drone with a lot of features for its price, though the app could use some improvements. The LMRC-12 is praised for its adjustable camera, stability, and support, but some reviewers had issues with the app and controls. So there you have it, folks. The Heygelo S90 and the LMRC-12. Both are fantastic drones, but which one should you buy? If you're on a budget and want a drone that's like a Swiss Army knife, go for the Heygelo S90. But if you're willing to spend a bit more for adjustable angles and dual cameras, the LMRC-12 is your go-to. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a Buy Smart showdown. Comment below which drone you'd pick and why. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart. Product links are in the description.